Hello student, this is chapter 2 nutrition in animals. Animal nutrition includes nutrient required mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. Every living being needs carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins and the fibrous food. Digestion. Digestion means the breakdown of the complex components of food into the simpler substance and is called the digestion. Digestion in humans. Human digestive system is divided into various parts. The canal systems can be divided into various compartments: buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and its ending in the rectum. And the sixth part is the anus. In mouth, there are many salivary glands. The liver secrete the bile juice and the pancreas secrete pancreatic juice and stomach secrete the digestive juices. This help to convert the complex substances to the food into the simplest ones. All associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of the taking food into the body is called the ingestions. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into the small pieces. There are four sets of the teeth in our mouth, which help us to cutting, biting, piercing, tearing, chewing, and grinding. Our mouth contains salivary, breaks down the starch into the sugar. Our tongue contains taste buds which help us to taste the food. Regions of the tongue are as follows. We can taste sweet, sour, salty, and bitter taste with our tongue. The food pipe or esophagus. The swallow food passes through the food pipe or esophagus. Food is pushed down movement of the wall of the food pipe. The stomach is a thin wall bag. Its shape is like a flattened J and it is widest part of the alimentary canal. The inner living lining of the stomach secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Acid kills the bacteria. The digestive juices break down the protein into the simpler substances, as you can see in our diagram. After stomach, the food goes to the small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meter long. It receives secretion from the liver and the pancreas. Its walls are also secrete some juices such as hydrochloric acid and other digestive juices which help us in digestion. Liver. The liver is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of our abdomen on the right side. It is largest gland of our body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in the sac called the gallbladder. The bile juice play an important role in digestion of the fats. Absorption in the small intestine. The digestive food can now passes into the blood vessels in the wall of a intestine. The process is called absorption. Small intestines have thousands of the fingers-like growth. These are called the villi or singular villus. Complex substances such as proteins required by the body, this is called the assimilation. Large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the digestion process. The large intestine is wider and the shorter than the small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb the water and some salts. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called the egestion. By this process, our fecal matter is removed. Digestion in a grass-eating animal. Grass-eating animals like cows, buffaloes and others are chewing continuously. They quietly swallow the grass and store it in a part of a stomach called rumen. Here food gets partially digested and is called a cud. Cud is returned in the mouth in the small lumps and the animals chew it. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose. Bacteria present in rumen helps in digestion of cellulose. Humans cannot digest cellulose. Animals like horses, rabbit, etc. has a large sac-like structure called the cecum between esophagus and the small intestine. Digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a single cellular microscopic organism found in the ponds. Amoeba constantly changes its shapes and positions. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia. The Food becomes trapped in the food vacuole. Digestive juices are secreted from the food vacuole. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance, and the multiplication. The basic process of digestion of the food release of energy in all the organisms are same. You may download the question answers and the notes from the description link which is provided in the description box. May also comment on the videos for improvement of the quality and the content which is given in the descriptions and notes.